Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. I hope you all studied the spellings of the words that we discussed in the last class, and also I think you done all the works in your textbook. So what we studied in the last class? Yes, we studied about clothes. We studied about the clothes that we have to wear in different seasons. And now we are going to study about another important thing, different types of uniforms. When you are going to school, what you are wearing? Yes, you all are wearing uniforms. Is it only for the school? No, you can see in different places. You can see people are wearing uniforms in their workplaces also. In the same way, in our home also we are wearing the casual dress in our home, that will give comfort to us. And when we are going to outside, or when we are going to shopping, or when we are going to school, we are wearing another kind of dress. So we can check what you mean by uniform, and which are the different types of uniforms using in different places, different workplaces also. So before that, you have to write down this answer, question and answer in your notebook. It is given in your textbook. Let us try page number 233. Let us try page number 233. So you have to check this question. The questions are given in your textbook. You have to copy this to your notebook. So first one, why do we need to wear clothes? So why we are wearing clothes? That we already studied. It will cover our body, it will protect us from heat, cold and rain, and also protect from insects. So we can check the answer. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. So that is why we are wearing dress. Then what do you think will happen if you wear woolen clothes in summer? Summer season, what is the specialty? It is too hot. So which time we are wearing woolen clothes? In winter season. If it is very cold, at that time we are wearing woolen clothes. So if you are wearing the woolen clothes in summer, what will happen? We feel very hot. Okay, we can go to the lesson. Different types of uniforms. We wear different types of clothes at home, but special dress to school. Is it correct? Is we are wearing the same kind of dress in school also that we wore in our home? No. We have to wear special kind of dress in our school. So that is known as uniform. All the children are wearing the same kind of uniform. Then people wear special clothes to their workplaces also. If you are checking the elders, we can see according to their profession, they are wearing their clothes also. They also have their own uniforms. We should wear clean and ironed uniform to our school or work. So if you are going to school, or if you are going to any work, at that time also we have to wear the clean and neat uniform, and also it should be ironed. Why? It makes us look smart, neat and tidy. So if you are not wearing the proper uniform, it will be not good for us. If you are wearing the proper uniform, clean and iron dress, it makes us look smart, neat and tidy. So we can check the different types of uniforms. So in most of the schools, not in our country, in other countries, there may be special seasons are there. According to that, they are wearing different types of uniforms. Mainly two types of school uniforms are there. Summer uniform and winter uniform. Summer uniform, you can see in the picture, the children are wearing cotton clothes, that we already discussed. In summer season, we are mainly using cotton clothes. And in winter uniform, they are wearing mainly woolen clothes, and we can see in the picture it is covered. The full body is covered to avoid the cold. So two types of school uniform, summer uniform and winter uniform. In summer uniform, the type of material is cotton, and winter uniform, it is made up of woolen. Then next is postman. So people wearing different uniforms in their workplace also. That already I said. In the workplace also, they have different types of uniform, and to recognize them. Why we are wearing uniform? To recognize that particular profession. So postman, you can see the picture of a postman, and you can see the uniform of the postman. So you can see the color. And next is a doctor. So from the picture itself, you can understand that he is a doctor. So how we can understand? From the clothes he wore, we can understand the uniform. We can understand he is a doctor. And who is this one? Yes, from the uniform we can understand this is police. So now we saw three professions: postman, doctor and police. Three types of people. people, postman, doctor and police, they have their own uniform. So from the uniform itself we can understand in which profession they are working. Next we can check another 3. Next is nurse, you can see the picture and the uniform also you can see. Next is firefighter, they also having a special uniform, and the last one is army officer. So you can see the picture, and from the picture itself we can understand the profession of each people. So today we studied the different types of uniform. We wear different types of uniform. To school we are wearing a special kind of dress, that is uniform, and people wear uniforms in their workplaces also. And we should wear clean and neat clothes, iron clothes, because it will make us look smart, neat and tidy. So we can check the different uniform. Mainly in schools 2 types of uniforms are there, summer uniform and winter uniform. Summer uniform the material is cotton, and for the winter uniform the material is woolen. Then next we can check the uniforms of different people at their workplaces. Postman, doctor, police, nurse, firefighter, army officer. So now we can check the assignment. Page number 235. One question is given there in your textbook. Let us try. Why should we wear a neat and clean uniform every day? Why we are wearing neat and clean uniform? Neat and clean uniform makes us look smart, neat and tidy. So you have to write this assignment in your the question and answer in your notebook. And the beginning also I gave 2 question and answers, that also you have to copy to your notebook. So I hope you all understood the lesson. Read the lesson many times. Okay, we will see in the next class. Thank you.